Supreme Court says won't stop the oath-taking ceremony in Goa. Manohar Parrikar is to be sworn in as the Chief Minister of Goa today. Anisha joining me live on the phone line, I beg your pardon, from New Delhi. Anisha, first of all, update us with the latest developments. The hearing in the Supreme Court is still on, I believe, where the court has observed that the Congress party should come up with the numbers. It has also said that there will be no stopping of the oath-taking ceremony as of now.
Yes, the hearing is currently still on, and the Supreme Court, Chief Justice's bench has made certain scathing observations with regard to the Congress's conduct and this government formation in Goa. The court has asked the Congress why it had not gone before the governor if it had the numbers, and why its petition before the Supreme Court, which it is hearing, does not have the affidavits and details of the MLAs that are purportedly supporting the Congress.
Yes.
However, the court has not said anything regarding the floor test that is to be conducted. The court has observed, of course, that the floor test must be conducted forthwith, which means that the floor test must be done as soon as possible, and the court has indicated that it is not inclined to issue any stay on the oath-taking ceremony. However, these details would be confirmed in a short while, since the court is still hearing arguments. Abhishek Manu Singhvi was arguing till a few minutes ago. Harish Salve, who is representing the governor and the government, is yet to present his argument. He has said that the government has no objections if a floor test is done quickly. Yes. However, these details will be clarified once the court hearing goes further and there is some conclusion to the hearing.
So far we can say that Manohar Parrikar's swearing in is going to happen as per schedule.